If your skin feels like it's always angry, red, irritated, textured and breaking out of no matter what, you might be missing this underrated hero, azelaic acid. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel where we talk all about skincare. And I always say skincare is a journey, it's not an overnight thing, and consistency is the key. So today we are talking about this Anua Azelaic Acid 10% plus Hyaluron Redness Soothing Serum. It is a lightweight, non-comedogenic formula made specially for sensitive, irritated and acne-prone skin. It is designed to soothe, hydrate and even out skin tone without overwhelming your barrier. Let's break it down, the key ingredients and what they are doing for the skin. Number one, this contains 10% of azelaic acid. It is a multitasking powerhouse that helps to calm redness, reduce inflammation and target the acne causing bacteria. It also improves your skin tone and texture by gently exfoliating and fading pigmentation without being harsh. Number two, this contains hyaluronic acid, the hydration hero we all know and love. This locks in moisture, giving your skin that plump, smooth feel, perfect when you're using active ingredients like azelaic acid. Number three, this contains a gentle calming complex, which is a unique blend of calming natural ingredients like aloe vera. There are 7 types of cica in it, blue tension oil, green tea leaf water and ubiquinol. Together all these ingredients which helps to soothe the irritation, reduce the redness, and the green color in this solution is only and only because of these natural botanical extract. There is no artificial color added in this particular serum. Now texture of this one is, you can see it's very light, but it is a viscous solution. It's not at all feel heavy, but once you apply it, it definitely feels slightly tacky on the face, but if you allow it some time, it gets sink completely into your skin और कुछ भी feel आपको आपके face पे नहीं होता है. This serum has been tested to reduce the redness caused by artificial irritation. It is perfect and ideal for those people who face redness or blotchiness का issue अगर किसी को होता है due to environmental stresses, like if you're a person like me who get redness आउट ऑफ नो वेयर, अगर आपको कहीं पे भी ज़रा सा हाथ लगाने से रेडनेस हो जाती है या कहीं पे लाइक आउट ऑफ नो वेयर, इफ़ योर स्किन गेट्स इरिटेटेड, दिस प्रोडक्ट इज़ फॉर यू because it will helps to soothe the irritation and reduce the redness. Before I talk about my experience, I want you to hit the subscribe button first because I know 87% of you who are watching have not subscribed. So kindly hit the subscribe button and also press the notification bell. Now coming back to my experience, see, I have loved this formulation. It has all those gentle, soothing, calming ingredients. So if you're a person who is very sensitive, who have a very irritated skin, और अगर आपको रोज़ेशिया का प्रॉब्लम है, this one is a perfect serum for you. Now I haven't seen much of the difference on my comedons and on my acne marks. It does help with the redness and soothe the irritation, calm down the skin, but when it comes to comedons, I have to pair it with either my salicylic acid based cleanser, because you know I used to use a salicylic acid based cleanser. Sometime I have paired it with a salicylic acid based serum. So that's how this has worked really well on my comedons. As for acne marks, I haven't seen miraculous results, but yes, if you have seen my this Anua 10% niacinamide serum, you know मैंने आपको बताया था that I was using the azelaic acid on alternate days. So it's not a very effective, or I would say it won't show you miraculous results on your acne marks. But if you keep it in your skincare routine, it is a non-irritating formula. Like it is not going to irritate your skin, and on the top it is perfect for super sensitive skin. If you are pregnant, if you are a breastfeeding mother, you can go for this one because azelaic acid is the safest option out there. हाँ, ये आपको पिगमेंटेशन और एक्ने मार्क्स को रिड्यूस करने वाले जो रिजल्ट्स हैं वो थोड़ा सा डिले आपको हो सकता है. यू कैन सी कि थोड़ा आपको लेट रिजल्ट्स मिल रहे हैं, लाइक थोड़ा टाइम ज़्यादा लग रहा है, बट इट डेफिनेटली हेल्प्स टू फेड अवे द एक्ने मार्क्स. बट इफ़ योर मेन कंसर्न इज़ द रेडनेस एंड द इरिटेशन, this one is a beautiful, soothing and a calming serum. I absolutely love it. Would love to repurchase. अभी तो you can see ये अभी half ही ख़त्म हुआ है, but I know it is an expensive product. So if you are under budget, you can go for Dr. Sheth's ka azelaic acid serum. I have used it in, I think, 2 years back. I have finished 3-4 bottles of that serum. That is an absolutely beautiful formulation by Dr. Sheth's. I remember a few days back somebody asked me in the comment section like, how is the azelaic acid serum from Dr. Sheth's? It's a beautiful serum, let me tell you. It has a very nice gel creme texture. I don't know now formulation have changed or not, but the time when I had tried it out, it had that very beautiful gel creme texture that is not at all irritating. Like there was a one serum which I have tried while I was doing my azelaic acid treatment from my dermat, that has left me with the red marks. After that I had tried the Ezidum 10%, that also left me with the red marks. But the Dr. Sheth's one is a very gentle formulation yet effective, that won't cause you any redness. Similarly ये भी आपके face पे red marks नहीं छोड़ता है. So if you are under budget, you can go for the Dr. Sheth's one, but if you can afford this one, you can go for this one. It is a beautiful formulation. I got it from a UGC creator, so if it is feasible or it is accessible for you, you can get it. But if you're looking for a budget friendly product, then Dr. Sheth's one is for you. And that was it. That's all about my experience on this serum. I hope you found it helpful. If you do, don't forget to hit like, share, subscribe, press the notification bell so you never miss my upcoming videos. Now I'm gonna see you in my next. Until then, take care.